Hello everybody, today we have 3 of these small toy drone things, and most of them are brand new in the box. They've all been weathered and left out because we had a leak in the roof and I thought they were covered, but they weren't, so that's great. I was gonna smash them anyway, it's whatever. I pulled most of these things out of trash cans, so it's whatever. It's time to unbox them and throw them in the microwave. Don't know how long I should cook them for, but we'll figure it out. Put on for 2 minutes. Can't even see in there. Done with this microwave anyway. That got out of hand. Don't ever try this at home, please. It's the end of the infamous microwave. Melted together. We had a lot of fun, but now the fun's over. Goodbye, West Bend microwave. I'll miss you. Seriously.